Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. This Samsung top loader washing machine. Customer has called me. It's a overflow water, but not washing. Let's see what is the problem. See, I put water, but water is full. Then also it's not washing. So I remove the back cover. Then I check the sensor. All are okay here. Then I remove the behind back cover. Then I found it has problems pipe hose pipe broken, sensor pipe it is broken. That's why sensor cannot detect. So it's broken there. That's why water leaking. That's why air pressure cannot detect the water sensor. So it was the problem. Then we have to change it, the pipe, new pipe. So we're changing this. So reverse we have changed the pipe. So now it will be okay. So let's see. So dear viewers, after we have changed, then we checked. Alhamdulillah, it's working fine. So it was problem only this hose pipe.